Today we are going to learn about traditional food of Maluku. Traditional food are special foods from a region that have been passed down from generation to generation. Traditional food are the important part of a community culture and identity. What is Maluku? Maluku is a province in Indonesia that is famous for its beautiful sea, spice and varied for antique and delicious traditional food. 1. Papeda. Papeda is a traditional food from Maluku made from sagu. The process of making sagu: 1. Cutting down and sagu palm tree. 2. Splitting the bark. 3. Grating the pit. Next, 4. Mix white in water. 5. Filtering the mixture. 6. Settling the starch. 7. Drying the starch. Food made from sagu. Sagu flour can be used to make many traditional foods such as papeda, sagu lembeng, and sagu bakar. Characteristics of papeda: 1. White in color. 2. Chewy and thick in texture. 3. Usually served with yellow fish soup. And next, how to make papeda. 1. Prepare sagu flour. Mix it with malt. 2. Of water. 4. Hot water 1. 3. Stirring. 4. Stir until it becomes thick and transparent. And 5. Papeda is ready to be served. 2. Sagu lembeng. Sagu lembeng is a traditional snack made from sagu flour. The characteristic: rectangular is shape, super tasty, and can be stored for a long time. How to make sagu lembeng? 1. Sagu flour in water. 2. Put the mixture into a mold. 3. Black tepung. And 4. Let it cool and it is ready to eat. Boiled cassava. Kasbi rebus. Kasbi is cassava that has been boiled until cool. Benefits: contains carbohydrates, provide energy for the body. How to make boiled cassava? 1. Peel the cassava. 2. Wash in the thoroughly. 3. Boil until soft. And 4. Serve while warm. 4. Boiled sweet potato. Ubi rebus. Boiled sweet potato is a simple food commonly eaten by the people of Maluku. How to make boiled sweet potato? Wash the sweet potato thoroughly, boil until cooked, drain and serve. Benefits: good for healthy, contains vitamin and fiber. Benefits of learning about traditional food: 1. Learning about local culture. 2. Preserve Indonesia cultural heritage. 3. Developing pride in our region. And 4. Understanding healthy food made from local ingredients. Alright, conclusion. Traditional food of Maluku are dessert and delicious. Some examples are papeda, sagu lembeng, boiled cassava, and boiled sweet potato. These foods are made from local ingredients such as sagu, cassava, sweet potato, fish, and vegetables. As the younger generation, we need to preserve and protect traditional food as part of Indonesia cultural heritage. Alright, I hope this lesson is helpful to you all. I take your leave and see you next time. Bye bye.